Hi and welcome to Economy, your source for all economic things. The price of Bitcoin has increased significantly in recent days. On Monday, the 23rd of October, Bitcoin's price was $30, and on Wednesday, the 25th of October, one Bitcoin equaled $35. This means more than a 16% increase in price over a few days. So, let's delve into the reasons for this surge and elaborate on what the next developments may be. 1 week prior to this increase, on the 16th of October, Cointelegraph, which is a media devoted to cryptocurrencies, has posted some information on X, formerly Twitter. Cointelegraph stated that US Securities and Exchange Commission has approved iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF. But then, after about 4 hours of the initial statement, Cointelegraph apologized for a tweet that led to dissemination of inaccurate information. In fact, the Commission has not approved iShares Bitcoin Spot ETF. The application for the approval is still under review. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is like a basket of different investments, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, all bundled together in a single package. It's similar to a mutual fund, but it's traded on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. For instance, you want to invest $100 in a very diversified way. Instead of buying shares of 100 companies separately, you can buy the shares of an ETF that invests in stocks of 100 companies. This would make it more convenient to diversify your investments. Also, there may be ETFs that invest in stocks of 500 companies, plus bonds and other securities. And it is almost impossible for a person with $100 to diversify investments to such a degree on their own. Also, shares of ETFs are traded on stock exchanges. The stock exchanges are quite regulated and can provide a particular level of transparency and protection to investors. Currently, cryptocurrencies are not traded on stock exchanges. The idea with the Bitcoin ETF is to create an ETF that invests in cryptocurrency. And since the shares of the ETF will be traded on stock exchanges, it would indirectly mean that cryptocurrencies are also traded on stock exchanges. The operation of cryptocurrency ETFs would mean further recognition of cryptocurrency and may lead to its wider adoption. This is why the news posted by Cointelegraph regarding the approval of iShares Bitcoin ETF created so much hype. In reality, the US Securities Exchange Commission rejected the application of iShares to establish a Bitcoin Spot ETF. But then, iShares appealed that decision of the Commission in the US court, and the court ruled that the Commission should reconsider its decision. So now, the Commission may either approve the Bitcoin ETF or reject the approval, but on some different grounds. As of October 2023, the Commission is still considering the application. What's interesting is that the price of Bitcoin really started to jump only 1 week after all these tweets. So, when Bitcoin started its rally, it was already clear that the news published by Cointelegraph was inaccurate. Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock, which is the world's largest asset manager, noted that despite the inaccuracy of the reports, the market's response is indicative of the high level of latent demand for crypto products. I think it's just an example of the pent-up interest in crypto, and we're hearing from clients all around the world about the need for crypto, Fink said. Some of this rally is way beyond the rumor. I think the rally today is about a flight to quality with all the issues around the Israeli war now and global terrorism, Fink said. Fink also observed a broader trend of investors seeking safer assets in uncertain time. There's more people running into a flight to quality, whether that is treasuries, gold or crypto, depending on how you think about it, he said. I believe crypto will play that type of role as a flight to quality. Conclusions. The price of Bitcoin has increased 16% in a few days, and even though the ETFs investing in cryptocurrency have not been allowed yet, the latest developments show that if the Commission really approves such ETFs, the price of Bitcoin will probably substantially increase. Also, there is still a large interest of investors in cryptocurrency, and this makes this asset promising for future growth if there are the right conditions. Thank you for joining me at Economy. Please be sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the world of economics. Until next time, stay curious!